Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be basically talking about the fundamentals. What is forex trading? Who are the biggest players in the forex market? Uh, the forex market sessions, trading sessions, the advantages of trading forex, and things you must know if you want to go into the world of forex trading and become profitable in it. So first things first, let us start with forex, right? What does forex mean? What does it mean? It stands for foreign exchange trading. This is just the buy and sell of different countries of the world. Now, take note that this market is $1 trillion market. As at statistics of April 2022 or 2023, it was a market that traded at least 7.5 trillion on a daily basis. That is huge. All right. That is huge. Now, one thing you must understand that in forex, you don't just trade one currency. You have to exchange one currency for another. I'll give you an instance. The first time I left my home country, Nigeria, I was taking a vacation to Rwanda, and I had a lot of naira there. But then, of course, I cannot go to Rwanda and spend naira. So what happened was when I was at the airport, the Nigerian airport, I had to exchange the naira I had on me to dollars, US dollars. And then when we landed Rwanda, we still had to go back to the read change they had there and also change US dollars we had to Rwanda franc. Sorry, I'm saying this because I went with some friends. So that is it. All right. Then, secondly, who are the biggest players? If you have watched any of my other videos, you will hear me when I usually say market movers or market makers. I'm talking about the biggest players of the market because this market is actually run by people who have trillions. I'm not talking about billions. I'm not talking about billions. I'm talking about people who have trillions. All right. So every single day, at least $7.5 trillion is being traded, is being exchanged on this market. So who are these people who have such capacity to pump such an amount into the market every day? Because of course, how many common men have that kind of uh, cash to throw into the forex market? So there are some people or some set of people who actually run this market on a daily basis, right? Different bodies like the banks, like forex brokers, like hedge fund managers, commercial banks, and at the bottom of the food chain, retail traders like you and I. Now, understand something. If just like I gave an instance of when I was at the airport when I was taking a vacation to Rwanda, I had to exchange the money I had. Now, you know that there are other people who may not be going for vacation, but they do business, right? So, I'll give you a good example. Have you ever thought about it? Those businessmen in your home country that import and export goods, how do you think they're able to do business with other businessmen from other businessmen and women from other countries? All right. They actually need the commercial banks to help them exchange the currency they have with them. All right. So a Nigerian businessman or woman, for instance, has to change the naira they have to the US dollars, and maybe if they have a partner, maybe in China, they also have to change that money from US dollars to China yuan. Yuan, right? I think that's what they call it, yuan. So commercial banks that help them do these transactions are also one of the very biggest players in the forex market, right? Like I said, I've mentioned others, I've mentioned um, forex brokers, I've mentioned hedge fund managers and commercial banks. Like I said, at the bottom of the food chain, you find the retail traders like you and I, who are just trying to find a way to make some cool money from this $1 trillion market. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of trading the forex market? Right? What are the advantages of trading the forex market? Number one, low barrier to entry. Somebody who has $1,000, $500, $100, $50, and even $10. I'm not saying you go and open a forex account with $10, right? You can, but that is not what will actually make you a lot of money. Okay, so it has a low entry barrier, which means a common person like you and I can use their mobile phone, their laptop, or any other computer device to get into this market and have a chance, find a chance to make money off of this $1 trillion market. All right. So that is one of them. Secondly, high liquidity. You can, like I said earlier, you can be at the comfort of your home, have your phone, have your tablet, have your laptop device, your desktop, and trade the forex market. All right, you stand a chance to actually make some money from this market on a daily basis. All right, on a daily basis within the week. That brings me to another point. The forex market only runs from Monday to Friday. That's 245, not 247. All right. There are other markets that open 247, but Forex is not one of them. Forex only opens during normal business days, Mondays through Friday, and that is it. And then what are the sessions of the Forex market? We have the Sydney session, we have the Tokyo session, we have the London session, and finally we have the New York session. I'll make a video about the particular time of that this market trades, and I'll upload that video, so check out for that video. Let's just have a recap. I said FX simply means the foreign exchange market, where you can exchange one currency to another. All right. I also said that you don't trade one currency just like that. You have to trade one currency against another. For example, you trade GBP USD, Great Britain pounds against the US dollars. You can trade New Zealand dollars against the US dollars, and so on and so forth. All right. And then I also talked about the advantages of trading the forex market. You are at liberty to use your mobile phone or your device, whatever computer device that you have, use it to trade the market. It's quite liquid, all right? High liquidity, trade 245, low barrier to entry. You can basically use as little as $50 to $100 and start trading, all right? Of course, with the help of a forex broker. And then finally, something I wanted to add: trading forex is a very beautiful journey. So I would advise that you just enjoy your time. Do not be in a rush to. There are people who make a lot of money from this market, but then do not be in a rush to be like them. Enjoy your progress. Make sure that you are full-minded. You're ready to learn. You are patient with yourself, and you're ready to put in the work, because you will have to put in the work. There's no cutting corners to that. So we have to put in the work if you want to benefit or enjoy from this $1 trillion market. I'll see you in the next one.